Introduce highlight features and overview of Yard Force YF11RSC Rotary Surface Cleaner for Electric Pressure Washer. You can find wanted pressure washer at here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. Ideal for quickly and easily cleaning a broad range of projects. Reduce cleaning time by as much as 70% compared to a standard pressure washer fan nozzle. The 11-inch diameter rotating arm has two powerful high-pressure cleaning jets for quick, streak-free cleaning. The bottom edge has a stiff bristle brush to loosen dirt, debris, and more while keeping the water under the surface cleaner and nearly eliminating any water splash. The handle on top allows you to use on vertical surfaces like fences, siding, exterior walls, and more. Universal to fit standard 1/4-inch QC spray wand connections. Use on all electric pressure washers up to 2300 psi. Max working pressure 2300 psi. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.